In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address using the command prompt in Windows. This is an easy and efficient method that anyone can follow, even if you're not particularly tech savvy. Sometimes knowing your IP address is essential for troubleshooting network issues or configuring certain software, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you get it right. Let's start by navigating to the Windows search bar. You can find it at the bottom of your screen on the taskbar. The search bar is a powerful tool that lets you swiftly locate applications, files, and settings on your computer. Clicking on it will open a text field where you can enter your search terms. Once you've accessed the search bar, type in CMDE. This stands for Command Prompt, a command line interpreter application available in most Windows operating systems. It's often used for executing a variety of tasks through typed commands, which can be more powerful and faster than using the graphical interface for many technical tasks. After typing CMD, you'll see it appear in the list of search results. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This step is crucial because running command prompt as an administrator allows you more control and the ability to perform certain tasks that standard user permissions might restrict. Now that you have the command prompt open with administrative privileges, you'll see a black window with a blinking cursor next to some text. This is your command line interface where you're going to type in your commands. Here, simply type the command IPConfig and press enter. This command stands for IP configuration, and it allows you to view current IP address configurations. It's one of the simplest yet most useful command line operations. Running IPConfig will display a variety of information about your network setup, including your IPv4 address, which is typically what you're looking for when you need your IP address. And there you have it. You've successfully found your IP address by using the command prompt in Windows. This straightforward method is reliable and quick, making it useful whenever you need to find your network information without navigating through multiple layers of settings menus. Understanding these steps not only helps you accomplish this specific task, but also gives you a bit more insight into how to use the command prompt for other functions you may want to explore in the future. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other computer-related questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below.